Ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Meet the Hacer Camping Cookware Set, your all-in-one solution for culinary adventures under the open sky. With 4 pots, pans, and bowls, you have the complete setup to whip up delicious meals, whether you're camping, hiking, or picnicking. And clean up? A breeze, thanks to its high-quality non-stick, heat-resistant design. This set is built to handle it all, sturdy, reliable, and made for the long haul, no matter where your adventure takes you. Ready to make every outdoor meal memorable? Grab your Hacer Camping Cookware Set today and turn your outdoor trips into true culinary adventures.